Every midnight, a haunted pirate ship emerged from the mist, haunting the seaside town of Willow's End. It was known as the Phantom Corsair. Local legend spoke of the captain's curse, doomed to sail until his secret was revealed. One night, Jake, curious as ever, decided to uncover the truth. But first, he needed help. Someone he could trust. With Emily and Oliver by his side, Jake led the way to the cliffs overlooking the harbour. The air was filled with the scent of salt and mystery. As they peered through binoculars, the ship's shimmering spectre became clearer. A code etched into the hull gleamed under the moonlight. Unlock the captain's secret. Back at Emily's house, they cracked the code, deciphering the captain's journal. Beneath layers of dust, the truth unveiled. The captain had never told his crew about the treasure he sunk with the ship. He feared their greed would drive them mad. The only way to lift the curse, to share the secret with a pure heart. That night, the trio journeyed back to the harbour. They shouted the truth into the night, their voices strong and unafraid. As the clock struck midnight, the Phantom Corsair glowed softly, and then dissolved into starlight. The curse was lifted, and trust, dear friends, was restored. Honesty had saved the day.